Hey, what's going on, y'all? Today we'll be having a monthly recap on how I made a little bit over 12,000 for the month of February. So without further ado, we're gonna jump right into it. Excuse me. We're gonna jump right into it. I'll throw this in there for anybody who says I'm capping. Here you go, right there. And let's jump right into it. This first week, I had a really good week. Um, we had a clear direction of price, and I kind of just stuck with that. We made the move up, and then we was very bearish off of that, and we capitalized on that. Excuse me. The second week, in February, was a little bit more range based. We still ended off, I would say, a little bit green. I would say maybe like a half R green, maybe 1 R green on the second week. But I would say this is where I should have been a little bit more aware in price, because you see this is kind of like where we started ranging at, and going into this third week in February is where I got smacked and just cooked, fried. We didn't size down. Excuse me. We didn't size down, so he was still going full size on trades, and we were getting just like obliterated. And as you can see, price, created this range, and even going into the start of March, we're still like in this range. Yes, it is. What is this? 500. It's a nice size range, but just this right here is what cooked us that third week in February. It's just no direction. We came down, we went all the way up, we didn't continue to push higher, and we came right back down just to bounce off of that, false breakout, just to come right back down into the range. So the third week in February really fried me. And then going into this last week, I was on vacation, so I wasn't really trading, but I did. I took like a half a position, maybe like the beginning of the week, and then got cooked again. So like down, so like green, super red, and then slightly red to end the week. This last week, still totaling us out, up a nice bit, just off of those first 2 weeks of February. But I would say like these last 2 weeks could have been completely avoided, like I said, again, just by reading price. After making this strong move down, we just been consolidating since. So for sure, time to either size down, or most of these days, these last 2 weeks of February was like hands off days, now that I look back at it. And it's days that I shouldn't have kept jabbing at trades, full size especially. So I would say that's something that we're going to do better with going into March. I should have either waited for like a break of this low, or for us to break above this high, honestly, to have like a clear direction. And anything in between this is just, you know, like I said, hands off or sizing down. But that is something that I am, you know, still learning. As traders, you know, you never get to a point where you know, can't, you know, perfect something. So we are going to sharpen that skill on just being more aware, and, you know, like when the market is easy to trade, that's when you're full size and you're going heavy. You know, putting on more risk, and like days like this, like weeks like this, you know, you're not exposing yourself to more risk than need be. But yeah, with that being said, like I said, we still closed out the month up, you know, a little over 12,000, and you know, this is just a start, man. I feel like March is going to be really, really good. You know, we blew some accounts right here during this third week, as well. You know, just, you mean, man, like, it happens. We blew some accounts. So going into March, we are going to be trading some new accounts. I told the Discord we are not, we blew those Apex accounts, and Apex just came out with a big update. You know, everybody's loving it, and I don't think a lot of people understand what they just came out with. It's like, I forget the saying, but they're painting doo-doo gold and then like try and give it to people. Like, nah, that doesn't stop it from smelling like, you know, man. You know, I ain't gonna do too much. This is a monthly recap video, not a prop firm video. So yeah, man. But without further ado, that's all I got for y'all today. I am still feeling a little sick, so I'll have, you know, like the trade recaps and the lives to start back up soon, towards the end of this week, Lord willing. And yeah, man, Discord will be in the description. Y'all come, you know, learn how to trade, or you know, sharpen your trading skills. I mean, we love to have you in there. That's all I got for y'all today. So y'all stay safe, and God bless.